Please note that we do not guarantee employment to the candidates. Though utmost care has been taken in providing correct information, eligible candidates are, however, advised to go through the official notification before submitting applications.
भरोसाको जीवन शिक्षित योग्य युवाहरूलाई र सचेतहरूलाई कहीं न कहीं छ रोजगारको मुहान, कहीं न कहीं छ रोजगारको मुहान।
Namaskar. Welcome to Evolving News, segment of Charitra production on KTV. First, the highlights. Graduates wanted to become IAS, IFS and IPS officers. Indian Forest Services require science and relevant graduates. Darjeeling District Jodhsip wants Madhyamik and 8 passed. HS passed youths wanted by Indian Air Force as LDC. Nepali knowing commerce graduate may apply as auditors. UPSC requires graduate in any discipline to become IAS, IFS and IPS officers. The details. Name of organizer, Union Public Service Commission. Name of exam, Civil Services Examination 2016 Preliminary. Name of post, IAS, IFS, IPS, etc. Number of post, 1079. Educational qualification, graduate, age 21 to 32 years, relaxation as per rules. Date of exam 7th August 2016. Centers of exam Gangtok, Siliguri and prominent places in India. Fee ₹100. No fee for SC, ST, PH and women candidates. Mode of application online. Closing date 27th May 2016. Official website upsconline.nic.in. Science graduates may apply to become forest officers. The details. Name of organizer, Union Public Service Commission. Name of exam, Indian Forest Service Examination 2016 Preliminary. Name of post, IFS. Number of post, 110. Educational qualification, graduate with animal husbandry and veterinary science, botany, chemistry, geology, mathematics, physics, statistics, zoology or graduate in agriculture, forestry or engineering. Age 21 to 32 years, relaxation as per rules. Date of exam 7th August 2016. Centers of exam Gangtok, Siliguri and prominent places in India. Fee ₹100. No fee for SC, ST, PS and women candidates. Mode of application online. Closing date 27th May 2016. Official website upsc.gov.in or upsconline.nic.in. Darjeeling District Jodhsip requires the services of Madhyamik and Class 8 passed youths. The details. Name of organizer, Office of the District Judge, Darjeeling. Name of post, LDC and Group D. Number of post, LDC 11 and Group D 9. Educational qualification, Madhyamik or equivalent passed with computer knowledge for LDC, Class 8 for Group D. Age 40 years, relaxation as per rules. Fee for LDC ₹200 for general and OBC and ₹100 for SC, ST, PH. For Group D, ₹100 for general and OBC and ₹50 for SC, ST, PH. Mode of application offline. Closing date 20th May 2016. Official website www.darjeeling.gov.in and www.ecourts.gov.in. HS Pass youths are wanted by Indian Air Force to work as LDC. The details: name of organizer, Indian Air Force; name of exam, recruitment of LDC; name of post, lower division clerk; pay scale, rupees 5,200 to 20,200 plus grade pay rupees 1,800. Educational qualification, higher secondary passed. Other qualification, typing speed of 35 words per minute. Age 18 to 25 years. Date of exam 24th July 2016. Mode of application, offline. Closing date 28 May 2016. Official website www.davp.nic.in. Nepali knowing BCom passed candidates may apply to work as auditor in West Bengal. The details: name of organizer, West Bengal Public Service Commission; name of post, auditor and account officer; number of post 120; pay rupees 15,600 to 42,000 plus grade pay rupees 5,400. Educational qualification, graduate. Educational qualification, graduate in commerce and computer knowledge. Language known, Bengali or Nepali. Age up to 32 years. Relaxation as per rules. Date of preliminary exam, July 2016. Centers of exam, Kolkata and Darjeeling. Fee rupees 210. No fee for SC/ST candidates. Mode of application, online. Closing date 17th May 2016. Official website www.pscwb.org.in. This much for today's episode. For further inquiry, eligible candidates may visit our office at Charitra Prakashan, Thangara, Kalimpong, or call us at 94755 91475. Goodbye till our next episode.
भरोसाको जीवन शिक्षित योग्य युवाहरूलाई र सज्जितहरूलाई कहीं न कहीं छ रोजगार